Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to fix Windows search not working in Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. There are various reasons behind Windows search is not working on your system. However, hey, in this video I'll show you all the possible ways to fix Windows search. So first of all, try to restart your system. For that, simply click on Start button, click on power icon, then click on Restart. And check if you have the Windows search. If you're not getting Windows search option, then you can try out other troubleshooting method. Start by checking whether Windows search is enabled on a system or not. For that, right click on taskbar, open taskbar settings, or you can open settings, then click on personalization. Here select taskbar option, and here we have the Windows search option. Here you can see it is hidden on my system. That's why I'm not getting Windows search option on the taskbar. Now to enable it, from the drop down menu, simply select search box, as you can see here. Once you have enabled Windows search box on your taskbar, try to use the Windows search feature. After that, also try to reset other services that are related to Windows search. For that, right click on taskbar, open task manager. Here click on menu icon, then select processes, and here look for Windows Explorer. If you want, you can also use the search option. Let me search for Windows Explorer. Select it, right click on it, then click on restart. After that, also restart searchhost.exe service. For that, click on details option. Here search for searchhost.exe. Select it and click on End Tasks. After that, simply press Window R. This will open Run dialog box, and here search for services.msc, then click on OK. This will open services window. Here look for Windows search. So here we have the Windows search service. Right click on it, then click on Restart, and wait for the process to complete. After that, try to enable enhanced search. For that, open settings, click on privacy and security. Here look for searching windows. By default it is selected classic. Here simply click on enhance. After that, rebuild the Windows search index. For that, here on the same window, scroll down, and under related settings, simply select advanced indexing option. Here click on advanced, then click on rebuild, and here click on OK. After that, restart your system. For that, click on start button, click on power icon, then click on restart. And now try to use Windows search. However, if you're still facing the issue, then there are some pending Windows update. To fix it, you have to update your Windows operating system. For that, open settings, click on Windows update, then click on check for updates, and install the pending updates on your system. And this will fix Windows search not working on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now, see you next video.